What the hell is happening on your face?
It's beautiful, right?
I did what she did! I swear to God, Erin. These crazy TikTok bitches are right. I'm be pissed.
You guys, welcome back to Clevver Style. Sinead.
Hi!
I don't know if you guys have heard of TikTok. It's like taking over or something. There are some viral makeup trends that we cannot stop watching.
I mean, they always end up looking pretty on TikTok, so like maybe,
It must be true.
Maybe that'll happen for us. Or maybe you're right and we'll just end up looking like clowns.
Yeah, well, that's what the show is all about. Welcome back to Beauty Break. So we have seen the viral TikTok trend of people out there in the world putting just dots and squares and weird shapes on their faces to do this contouring style face transformation to where they start and they look like pop art and then at the end they look like a
What the hell is even that?
At the end they look like a professional makeup artist did their makeup.
Yeah, it's not true, you guys. There's no way. Let me just say this, all right? I am on to you, TikTokers. I know what you're doing. I get it. The beauty of editing is that you don't have to show all the time it takes for you to fix all those dots and shapes and letters and whatever else you're drawing on your face. There is absolutely no way you and I are gonna look that good, and it's not gonna be because of us. It's not gonna be our fault.
First things first, we've got to see what we're getting ourselves into. So this girl, we're gonna link all of these TikTokers down below in the description. We think she's the one who originated this particular style. She's very skilled. Like her face looks designed. Like it looks really good.
It does look really pretty.
Pre-blend. I kind of like it that way. Is that weird?
Yeah.
She looks so, do the kids say beat still? Beat? Face beat.
Why are you asking me?
How do you do, fellow kids?
What? I feel like there's a strategy getting the dots small and then getting them bigger and like.
Oh, really? You think it's all that? I do see that. Also, her eyeshadow dots too.
Yeah.
Like, that's wild.
Yeah. Let's move on to this girl.
This girl's face gives me anxiety.
Oh my gosh, she looks so wet.
Yeah, this girl's face gives me anxiety once all the dots are on it. I mean, first of all, she's freaking gorgeous.
She's
Let's
so
be real.
pretty, but when she turns and looks at the camera, it definitely takes your breath away.
Her makeup at the end when she's done with this,
Looks so good.
oh my God, this girl is beautiful. Like, she is so pretty and she does such a good job. Like, she really knows how to do makeup really, really well, you could tell.
Let's do this damn thing.
All right, let's do it.
Sinead and I have taken off our makeup and we've moisturized and we've prepped. And I guess now it's up to us to decide where we want to start. Where are you gonna start?
Oh my God, I don't even know.
It's overwhelming.
It is overwhelming.
I'm just gonna start. You know, how bad could it be?
Oh God. Ow, this kind of hurts. Because this is like really hard cream. It's like, in order to do it, you have to like stab yourself.
I think you need to get one of these.
I think I need to get like a liquid one.
The person who invented this, I feel like, really doesn't have much to do. Because I have so much to do right now. When I go home, the last thing I do is come up with this.
It makes for like a fun visual, but like who's actually doing this, you know? There's no way.
And this girl got how many views? Like millions of views? I mean, she's great. She's better at this than I am, but.
2 very boring minutes later.
Guys, do I look so beautiful?
Yeah, you look so pretty.
What if I showed up and I was like, sorry, I'm late, guys. I need to finish off my makeup. And I just looked like this.
I wouldn't
Would you
say
talk
shit
about
to
me?
you,
Would you
but
talk
I
shit
would
about
talk.
Yeah, for sure. So this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Effacer. Effacer.
A what?
Effacer. Effacer.
Flip it.
Oh, that's the Spanish.
Oh my God.
It's eraser, in case anyone wants to know what eraser is in Espanol.
I think it's actually like French.
In French.
Yeah, I think.
I was using her as a guide. I'm lost already.
I think the eyebrows is the thing that made me doubt this the most.
Yeah, same.
Because I'm like, there's no way.
Yeah,
There's just
she
no
lost
way.
me there, yep.
Honestly, like I had a strategy when I first started. I've abandoned everything and I'm just putting dots on my face at this point.
Right.
So I think I'm just gonna keep doing that. I'm just gonna keep dotting everything.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I just noticed your eyebrows.
That's how she did it. She did it like that.
Same color.
She totally did it like this.
So I'm gonna do some blush. We have some creams here. I'm starting to believe it's doable, you know? Look at me. Envision it blended. It's beautiful, right? Meh. I don't know about you, but I feel pretty. Oh my gosh, I want to blend this so bad. It's like an itch I can't scratch.
All right, well, now that we have prepped our faces, we're gonna attempt to blend this thing. So I have a sponge. Did you put anything on your sponge?
No, I don't know. I'm gonna start with my sponge a little dry because
I think so too.
I'm so wet.
Yeah, I feel very wet on my face.
Moist.
How do you even decide where to start? Just in the middle of your face? Oh, no, no, no. Erin's face, her dots are dry. Her dots are dry.
That is quite a situation.
Okay, this is important for the people to know.
You're gonna have to wet it.
This is not a hack. Okay, I've got to do a better strategy. I feel like, okay, that's not working. I'm gonna try the brush because I feel like the brush really has power. Okay, actually this isn't bad so far.
Oh God, it's
Someone's
just too
laughing.
much. It's too much.
Someone is laughing in the room.
It's all too much. It's all too much makeup. It's just too much makeup everywhere.
346 minutes later.
You have to like switch sponges. Like I'm running out of sponge every time.
Let's just give this girl the benefit of the doubt. Let's believe her for a moment. Let's believe that she blended it into that beautiful face that we saw.
She didn't. If she did, she fixed it as she went, added the right colors on top. Because there's no way. There's no way.
Why do you look good? Get out of here. Get the out of here. You look good. Shut up. Why does she look good? Oh, I feel like a clown who's had a really bad day at her job. Honestly, I'm
Whatever
trying.
this stuff is really like wet and goopy.
Yeah, is that clown makeup? That's a serious question.
11 minutes later.
I'm ready for the gala.
You know what's sad is like I still feel like I need more makeup. Like my, like I have a pimple right there that I would have been able to cover up a lot easier if I would have just done my makeup like a normal human. Look at my under eyes, like I didn't really do what I wanted to do. Yes, I got it all to blend and that's fine, but there's no way she's not going in there and like adding, you know what I'm saying?
I feel great. I feel like reborn into another life.
The fact that you managed to keep that sweater clean this whole time.
It was I actually feel like I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna find it in weird crevices.
Good teeth. What the hell is this stuff? I keep finding it in my mouth.
I have to agree with Sinead on this one. I am a huge fan of TikTok and believe most of the things that I see. But when it comes to this particular trend, I actually don't believe that either we don't know how to do it or it's not possible.
No. Yeah, I mean like look at our eyebrows. Look at her eyebrows with all her dots in it.
No way.
No way. I swear, once you put your foundation on, you blend and whatever, you go in there and you're like, I'm gonna put my yellow underneath my eyes now, stuff like that. So like, there's other things that go into it. Can I make this look good? Yes. I don't know if you can make that look good. None of this is our actual like skin tones. Like none of this colors really match because you fix it as you go.
Yeah.
You know?
Totally. Yeah.
You're not like just being like, oh, these are all the colors I'm gonna use today. Like you put certain darker colors here, certain lighter colors here, different pigments to match your actual face.
And every day you do your makeup a little bit different.
Yes,
So it's
every
like
day.
you can't really know how it's gonna look by just putting dots everywhere. I am calling BS on this. Yeah. Move on.
Not today, Satan. Not today.
All right, you guys, well that was fun, right? Yep.
I had a lot of fun actually. This was like something, we haven't done a lot of makeup recently on this
No, we
channel.
haven't,
And
we haven't.
I needed this.
Yeah, you know what? I needed this too.
I'm here for you.
Yeah.
And for you.
You guys, that was yet another TikTok beauty hack. They keep coming, so what should we try next? I'm sure you can suggest one for us down in the comments below, but that was a fun one, honestly.
The weirder the better. Let's get weird with it.
Let's go weird with it.
Yeah, and if you guys are still here hanging on, there is another video right here just for you. So check it out, click it, and watch, and subscribe.